Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best fitness tracker for kids that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the budget-friendly Nionio Smart Kids Watch with Fitness Tracker. This affordable option is packed with features that make it a great starting point for kids aged 6 to 14. With 19 sport modes, this tracker encourages kids to stay active in a variety of ways, from running and jumping rope to swimming and basketball. The IP68 waterproof rating ensures it's safe for pool use, making it ideal for kids who love water activities. The design is simple yet functional, featuring a 1.5-inch color touchscreen with adjustable brightness. The DIY dial feature lets kids customize their watch face using their favorite images, adding a touch of personal creativity. The TPU strap is comfortable and durable, ensuring it stands up to the wear and tear of an active lifestyle. While it doesn't include GPS or direct phone functionality, it connects via Bluetooth for smart notifications, providing convenience without complexity. Performance-wise, the Nionio Smart Kids Watch delivers solid tracking for steps, sleep, and heart rate. However, its smaller battery capacity means it lasts around 5 to 7 days, which is slightly less than some competitors. The lack of GPS may limit its functionality for outdoor tracking, but for the price, it's a fantastic entry-level option. Ideal for parents on a budget, this watch provides the essentials without breaking the bank. Pros include affordability, decent tracking features, and customization options, while cons include limited battery life and no GPS tracking. Coming in at number 4, the BIGGERFIVE Vigor2L Kids Fitness Tracker offers a well-rounded set of features for its price. With all-day activity tracking, it monitors steps, calories burned, and distance walked. Kids can also earn virtual medals for achieving activity goals, adding a fun and motivational element to fitness. Supporting over 10 sports modes, this tracker is versatile enough for activities like cycling, soccer, and swimming. Thanks to its IP68 waterproof rating, the design is straightforward and durable, with a lightweight silicone band that's comfortable for all-day wear. The 0.96-inch screen is compact but functional, displaying key data clearly. While the battery life is impressive at up to 7 days, it requires only 2 hours to recharge, making it practical for busy kids. The tracker also includes heart rate and sleep monitoring, providing helpful insights into overall health and sleep quality. Its performance is reliable, but the limited number of sports modes might leave more active kids wanting additional options. Additionally, it requires pairing with the BIGGERFIVE app to unlock detailed health reports, which may not be ideal for parents who prefer simpler functionality. Overall, the Vigor2L is perfect for families seeking a robust yet affordable tracker, with pros including long battery life, motivational virtual medals, and comfort. Cons include limited screen size and app dependency for advanced features. At number 3, we have the BIGGERFIVE Smart Watch for Kids, a feature-packed option that takes tracking to the next level. The 1.8-inch HD touchscreen is larger and more vibrant than most competitors, making it easy for kids to navigate. This tracker shines in its ability to operate with or without an app, adding versatility for families who prefer a standalone device. With 80 sports modes, it supports a wide range of activities, including basketball, cycling, swimming, and more. The design is modern and customizable, offering over 100 cloud dials through the app. Kids can even upload their own photos for a personalized watch face. The IP68 waterproof feature ensures durability during water-based activities, while the soft silicone strap provides all-day comfort. Battery life is decent at 5 to 7 days, and the device charges quickly via a magnetic cable. Performance-wise, this watch delivers accurate step tracking, heart rate monitoring, and sleep pattern analysis. The addition of puzzle games adds an educational element, though parents can control game access through the app. While the watch is heavier than others at 2.82 ounces, it's still manageable for most kids. Pros include a large touchscreen, versatility with or without an app, and robust health tracking. However, its relatively higher weight and app dependency for certain features might be drawbacks for some users. At number 2, the BIGGERFIVE Smart Watch for kids stands out for its simplicity and functionality. With no app or phone required, it's the perfect choice for families seeking a standalone fitness tracker. The 1.8-inch HD touchscreen is vibrant and easy to use, offering customizable watch faces and a durable design. With 80 sports modes, this tracker caters to a variety of activities, from cycling to swimming. The build quality is robust, featuring an IP68 waterproof rating that makes it suitable for pool use. The band is lightweight and comfortable, ensuring kids can wear it all day without irritation. Battery life is strong, lasting up to 7 days on a single charge. The device also includes heart rate monitoring and sleep tracking, providing valuable insights into your child's health and habits. While its performance is reliable, the absence of app connectivity means it doesn't offer detailed data analysis or app-based customization. This can be a limitation for parents who want deeper insights into their child's activity. Overall, this watch is ideal for families who value straightforward functionality without the need for external apps. Pros include simplicity, long battery life, and a wide range of sports modes. Cons include limited data analysis and lack of app connectivity. And finally, at number 1, we have the Fitbit Ace 3 activity tracker for kids. This premium option from Fitbit delivers an exceptional user experience, combining sleek design, advanced features, and unmatched reliability. With an 8-day battery life, kids can spend more time moving and less time charging. The animated clock faces grow and evolve as kids reach activity milestones, adding a playful and engaging touch. The design is durable and water-resistant up to 50 meters, making it perfect for pool parties or accidental spills. The 0.96-inch rectangular screen is compact yet effective, displaying activity data clearly. Parents can manage the tracker through the Family Account feature, which allows seamless control over their child's device. Virtual badges and on-screen celebrations keep kids motivated to achieve their goals, while sleep tracking, bedtime reminders, and silent alarms help establish healthy habits. From a performance perspective, the Fitbit Ace 3 excels in activity tracking, heart rate monitoring, and sleep pattern analysis. Its built-in GPS adds another layer of functionality, making it perfect for outdoor adventures. While it's the most expensive option on the list, its premium build quality and advanced features justify the price tag. Ideal for parents who want a high-quality, reliable tracker for their child. The Fitbit Ace 3 offers pros like long battery life, engaging features, and advanced tracking capabilities. The only con is its higher price point, which may not suit all budgets. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.